As you can see, my backseat light bulb has stopped working for quite some time now. Now this is a very simple repair, and we're gonna start by removing this plastic right here. Each of these plastic covers must have these small holes right there where you can fit a small screwdriver in. Just take a small screwdriver and put it right in this hole right here. And the plastic cover is almost out. On almost any vehicle you can find these holders on the side of this light bulb right there. You can try to pull this light bulb, just take it with your fingers and pull it out. As you can see, here is working. Okay, but this part has remained inside, so we need to remove this part also. Nice. Now there could be many reasons why this light bulb is not working. The most common one is that this filament, this little wire that you can see inside, it burns out or snap, and then you can see a gap right in there. But in my case, as you can see, one connector just got disconnected from the light bulb, and that's why the connection with the car wiring is not 100%. Either way, this light bulb needs to be replaced. The best way is to go to your favorite parts store and ask for a replacement. If you don't have any markings on the light bulb that you have taken out, just tell them the make, model and year of your car and they will find it for you. You can probably buy this light cheaper online, but that means you will be driving around with the broken dome light for quite some time, and that is not pretty if you have kids on your back seat. Now this right here is our new light bulb, and I recommend using gloves or toilet paper like this while inserting this light bulb, because grease from your fingers can heat up this light bulb and it can cause it to burn out faster. As you can see, I take it in a very small toilet paper like this and put it in there one piece by one. There you go. Press it good, make sure it's in there, and let's check it if it works. The key is in. Nice, working. And now just put this plastic cover right to its place like this. Just pop it in like this. Nice, and you are finished. Good luck in your repair, and I hope you have found this video useful. See you in the next one.